Stop using motion blur filter to create the illusion of speed in Photoshop. Instead, the method I'm about to show you will help you create the perfect illusion of speed in Photoshop. Open Photoshop, let's begin. Import your image into Photoshop, duplicate the layer and hide it. Select the background layer. Go to the Tools panel and choose the Object Selection tool. If it is not active, right-click and choose it from here. Click on the subject to create a selection. Zoom in and make sure you have the perfect selection of your subject. Once the selection is made, you might want to save it for future use. So go to Select, Save Selection, then give your selection any name that you want and click OK. Go to Select again, Modify and choose Expand. Set a value for your expansion. I will choose 15, then click OK. With the Object Selection tool still active, right-click on the subject and choose Delete and Fill Selection. Review the first layer and select to make it active. Go to Selection and Glue Selection. Click this drop-down and select the name you give to your selection. You can click on the Remove Background or click on the Layer Mask icon there to remove the background. What we've done basically is to separate the subject from the background. So we have our subject and then we have our background. Now select the background layer, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and then choose Path Blur. We are going to use these coins to create the illusion of speed. Drag this point to the side and you see that the direction of speed moves diagonally. Now set the first point there and second point here to match the perspective of the pavement. You can add many points to match the perspective of your image. Then control the speed slider till you are satisfied with the outcome. So when you are done, click OK. Now let's take a look at the second example. So make sure to repeat the process in example 1 to separate the subject from the background. After that, go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Path Blur. Set the end point here and the initial point there. Now click to set a point there. Click to set another one here and end it here. This creates a curvy path to match the perspective of the mountain. So let's set the last path here. Then adjust the speed of the blur to your preference. When you are done, click OK. Now to the last example, which I will leave it to you for you to try your hands on. Let me know your outcome in the comment section. And until next time, keep creating, keep designing. See you in the next video.